claim you got a bad bitch, but do she like girls? When her hair get wet, do it turn into curls? Do she got her own whip? Is she team 901 when you fuck her from the back? Do she ever try her